We will start chapter number 5. Arithmetic Progression. Before going to the definition of arithmetic progression, let us consider few lists of numbers. Example 1. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Example 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Example 3. -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, dash dash. Example 4. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, dash dash dash. Example 5. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, dash dash dash. Now let us observe this list of numbers. In example 1, 2 is obtained by adding 1 to the 1, 3 is obtained by adding 1 to the 2, 4 is obtained by adding 1 to the 3, and so on. So to the first number, if I add 1, I get second number. To the second number, if I add first number, I get third number. To the third number, if I add 1, I get fourth number, and so on in example 1. Here 1 is fixed number, which I am adding to one term to get next term. Now look at example 2. If I add 2 to the 2, I get 4. And if I add 2 to the 4, I get 6. And if I add 2 to the 6, I get 8 and so on. In third example, if I add 1 to minus 6, I get minus 5. If I add 1 to minus 5, I get minus 4 and so on. In example 4, if I add minus 1 to 6, I get 5. If I add minus 1 to 5, I get 4. If I add minus 1 to 4, I get 3 and so on. In example 5, if I add 0 to 1.5, I get 1.5. If I add 0 to this 1.5, again I get 1.5 and so on. So in all these list of numbers, a certain fixed number is added to the first term to get second term, and the same fixed number is added to the second number to get third number and so on. Such list of numbers in which a second number is obtained by adding a fixed number to the first number, third number is obtained by adding fixed number to the second number, are called APs, that is arithmetic progressions. So we'll make a note here. In all the above examples, second number is obtained by adding a fixed number to the first number. Third number is obtained by adding a fixed number to the second number. Next we'll write definition of arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding fixed number to the preceding term. Except the first term. Except the first term, it means here that the first term may be anything, but second term will be obtained by adding a fixed number to the first term, and third number will be obtained by adding fixed number to the second number, and so on. Here the word term is used for a number in the given list of numbers. Term is nothing but a number in the given list of numbers. Okay. For example, if we consider these list of numbers, 1 is a term, 2 is a term, 3 is a term, 4 is a term, 5 is a term. Similarly here -2 is a term, 0 is a term, here 1.5 is a term, here -2 is a term, like that. Any number in an arithmetic progression is called as a term, is called as a term. The fixed number is called the common difference. Common difference. Of the AP. Of the AP. Remember that it can be positive, negative, or 0 or 0. it is denoted by small letter d. You may have a question now. Why this fixed number is called common difference? To understand that, let us consider example 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dash, dash, dash. In this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are all called as terms, as we studied just now. These are all called as what? Terms. So 1 is here. First term. 2 is second term. 3 is third term, and so on. We have fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. There may be any number of terms in an AP. Now we'll calculate difference between second term and first term. Difference between second term and first term is equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Difference between third term and second term is equal to 3 minus 2, that is also equal to 1. Difference between fourth term and third term is 4 minus 3, that is also equal to 1. And so on. You take any two consecutive terms in an AP and find the difference between the higher term and lower term, you will get the same difference like this 1, 1, 1. For the AP that we considered here, or for the example that we considered here, common difference is 1. But for different APs, we may have different common difference, but there also the common difference will be a constant. A common difference will be a constant. So because of this reason, the fixed number that we add is called as common difference. Is called as common difference. Here we find the difference to be common for all consecutive terms pair taken at a time. Taken at a time. Therefore, the fixed number that we add is also called as common difference. Difference.